You are an incomplete manager who is managing without adequate information. Shocked? But this will be true until you learn to use finance and accounting in your business management decisions. And see, this is what some managers think and feel about finance and accounting.
In my opinion, my work has nothing to do with finance.
The top management is giving unnecessary importance to the finance division.
At a personal level, I believe that finance is beyond my understanding.
Today, all your business transactions have become more complex than ever. But as owners or business managers, you need the right attitude. Remember, at the end of the day, it is the financial results that matter to the business owners. And financial accounting is the only function that gives you insights into the financial performance and the position of your organization.
As a non-finance person or any manager rises in his career, he is expected to know and apply more and more of finance and accounting.
Whether you like it or not, finance is the business of every manager. So what's the way out? Plecon, the management consulting organization from Ahmedabad, India, provides the answer. Plecon, Virtual Management Academy, in short PVMA, a division of Plecon, offers you a series of DVDs on managing business through financial information and analysis. The entire series is divided into 4 modules. The first module deals with understanding finance and financial statements and consists of 2 DVDs. The second, third, and fourth module discuss financial statement analysis, management of working capital, and costing for decision making respectively. Look at these highlights of Module 1. How does a business organization function?
The role of the Board of Directors and MD is to provide strategic inputs and provide necessary guidance to the functional heads.
What are the functions and activities handled by finance and accounts?
These are the basic activities in financial accounting. So now the next thing is working capital management.
What are the grounds for interaction between finance and non-finance executives?
When one has to prepare the budget, at that time the basic inputs for preparing the budget come from the concerned non-finance people.
But sir, I would like to know that how much of accounts and finance should I know to make my job much more further effective?
How much of finance should an owner or a manager know?
Now this type of relating your work with the financial position and performance can make you a more effective non-finance manager.
What does a financial position mean?
But sir, whose liabilities and assets are we talking about?
When we say financial position, this financial position is in the context of a point of time. This is the balance sheet of a leading industrial house of India. The title line shows the date of the balance sheet.
What is a balance sheet? How to read a balance sheet?
But sir, why is it called a balance sheet?
The two sides are balancing and therefore it is called a balance sheet. This is the amount owed by the business entity either to the owners or to the external parties. So the whole equation of balance sheet will read like owner's equity plus long-term debt plus current liabilities are equal to fixed assets plus current assets. This balance sheet shows liabilities or sources of funds grouped as share capital, reserves and surplus, secured loans, unsecured loans and other liabilities.
would you please kindly explain what financial performance means?
If you see the published financial statements of any organization, you will find that in profit and loss account, these two types of profits are shown: profit before tax and profit after tax.
How to understand a profit and loss account? What is an appropriation from profit?
Coming back to this example, you have total revenue of 100. Out of that, 90 is operating revenue. And similarly, out of 60 expense, 55 is operating expense. That gives you 35 as operating net profit.
This schedule forms a part of the balance sheet. It provides item-wise details with regard to each fixed asset.
Look at this profit and loss account of a financial service organization. Balance sheet of this company shows the normal type of sources and applications.
This is what Module 1 covers. Everything is explained in simple language and supported by real-life case studies as well as consulting experiences. Gujarati subtitles are also available. And above all, prior knowledge of accountancy and financial management is not required. The complete module will be useful to you individually as well as to your organization.
Benefits to you personally. It will increase your managerial effectiveness in your own function. It will help you in developing smooth interpersonal relations with various managers at various levels. Benefits to the organization. Improved profitability and returns. More efficient utilization of financial, human and physical resources. Development of a culture of cost consciousness and financial discipline. More effective interdepartmental coordination and teamwork.
So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and take your first step towards becoming a complete owner of business or a complete manager. Go and get it. These are the contact details.